Hi and welcome to part 3 of our step-by-step guide. In this video, we will cover the course material transfer process, moving resources from Google Classroom to the online course folder via Google Drive. This process ensures materials are well organized, easy to manage and accessible for QEC. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, recap. General checklist. Before we begin, here is what we covered in the previous part. General checklist for transferring course material. Strategy for e-folders. E-folder strategy to maintain organize and consistency. These foundational steps set the stage for today's process. A quick reminder for course material for HoDs and must conduct a final review. Once approved material are submitted to QEC, this ensures accuracy and compliance with institutional standards. Google Classroom is the starting point because faculty upload lectures, slides, notes and course material here. Students gain instant access to the most up-to-date resources and act as a centralized hub, keeping resources secure, consistent and manageable. In this guide, we will use e-commerce and digital marketing course material as an example. Download material from Google Drive. Once material are uploaded to the Google Classroom, follow these steps to download and prepare them. Access the material. Faculty members download course material stored in Google Drive. Materials are stored as a zip for efficient transfer. Download the zip file. Locate the file in Google Drive and right click to download. Unzip the file. After the downloading the file, right click the zip file and select extract or unzip. This creates a folder containing all course material neatly organized. Uploading to the online course folder. Now let's transfer material to the online course folder. Return to the Google Classroom. Locate the specific course material, lecture notes, etc. and select the files. Move file to the Google Drive. Select the file you need, drag and drop them into the designated online course folder in Google Drive. Alternatively, you can upload file one at a time if needed. Verify the upload. Look for a green check mark to confirm the files have uploaded successfully. By following this process, you can ensure course material are organized and easy to access, maintain consistency for students and faculty, and QEC meet institutional requirement for review and submission. Thank you.